So today I'll be showing you how to mute videos on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So what you need to do is go to the Google Play Store and search for an app called CapCut. It's a free app. You can simply download and install it. Now, the CapCut video editor is a very common video editor for mobile smartphones and tablets, and you can use it to do most things, including muting a video. That's because the tablet itself does not have a feature you can use to mute videos. So let's go ahead and install CapCut. And then when you tap on open to launch CapCut, if it's the first time, you have to agree to the terms, and that's it. So now all you have to do is launch a new project, give permissions. I'm going to close that first. Allow permissions, and then I'm going to access my gallery, pick the video I want to mute, and then select add. Attempting to remove the sound. So once the video is opened in the timeline, what you need to do is tap on mute clip, and once the clip is muted, you can go all the way to the end, remove the CapCut ending, remove that, and then you can now export the video, and it's going to be saved in your gallery without the sound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.